Hi everyone, my name is Chelsea Lauder and I'm a program associate here with the Service Learning program at Northeastern. I'm excited to have you guys be listening to this voiceover, which is really meant to introduce everyone to what service learning itself is and also what service learning at Northeastern as a program is. We understand that everyone listening has a different history with service learning, whether at Northeastern or somewhere else, and that everyone has a different background. And so we're hoping that this voiceover will really work to get everyone on the same page. Service learning happens in higher education as well as in K-12, really across all different educational contexts. It also happens all over the country and globally. But really, it's a form of experiential learning for students and a teaching and learning strategy for faculty. And so, what it does is it integrates course content with some sort of community engagement and meaningful service experience for students. Our program structure specifically also works really hard to build mutually beneficial partnerships across our program. Service learning can look a million different ways. It can be a student doing direct service on a weekly basis, it can be them participating in research alongside a community partner, or working on a community-based project. But with so many options, we have to think about how we intentionally design service learning courses and design a course that includes a meaningful service learning experience. So we have these two questions. The first, what does the faculty member want or need their students to learn? And the second, what are the goals or needs or interests of our community partner? And so at that overlap and in the middle of these two questions is really how we design intentional and meaningful service learning courses and experiences, and how we make sure that these partnerships are mutually beneficial. As a program here at Northeastern, we really have these four main components. So we have our community partnerships, we have faculty development opportunities, student leadership programs, as well as opportunity to be involved in research and scholarship. For our community partners and our community partnerships, we have 70 to 100 each semester, and some of them come through our formal request for partnerships, and others just through our broad network across the city and state. We have opportunities for faculty development, which we create a lot of resource to support our faculty, because with 50 to 60 courses each semester, we have a really large network of faculty who are putting in the work to teach and design these service learning courses. In addition to our faculty development and community partnerships, we have 3 student leadership programs. We have our service learning teaching assistants, the street team, as well as our team managers. And this number of student leaders each semester is usually between 50 and 60. And then we also have opportunities for research and scholarship, which are open to our full network and not just for faculty. So I've talked a lot about our network as a program. We have a lot of different stakeholders and partnerships throughout. We, in particular, our service learning program is a part of the Northeastern University Center of Community Service, which then also falls under the Division of City and Community Affairs. So these are our partners and our colleagues. And then we also have an advisory board. We have service learning faculty fellows, other university stakeholders, students, student leaders, and community partners. So I want to take some time to introduce you to a few different program features and resources that we have. So these first two are resource websites that were created in the past few years. Our faculty one includes information on course design and syllabus resources, as well as information on how to collaborate with your SLTA and community partner. And then the community partner resource website includes how to prepare students for service and different resources we offer to help with that, how to collaborate and build a great partnership with your faculty member, and a lot more. And this next one is our slog, which is our service learning blog. This is a great place to go to see profiles and spotlights of different courses, members of our community, as well as to get kind of the up and up on what's happening with our program. Then we have our virtual expo. This was created in fall 2018, and the virtual expo hosts digital artifacts which were created by students in a lot of our different courses to be representative of what their partnership looks like. So if you're interested in what a student may have created for a certain course or about a certain community partner, I recommend looking at this website and exploring it a bit. Then we have our Service Learning Fellows program. This is done in collaboration with the Center for Advancing Teaching and Learning through Research on campus. And this is really an incredible resource for faculty who want to learn how to design a service learning course. Then we have 3 student leader programs, which I mentioned earlier, our teaching assistant, street team, and team manager programs. We give out a course community collaboration award each year, so we take nominations for this at the end of each semester, so definitely look out for emails. And then we give out this award at the end of the academic year in April. We have our partnership matching process through our request for partnerships, which is how a majority of our partners get matched with their courses. We have opportunities for research and scholarship, as well as opportunities to come to networking events and different workshops and overall a lot of different events and opportunities to get involved with our program. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this voiceover. I'm hoping that it's really served as an overview of both our program at Northeastern and what service learning in general is. If you have any questions or things came up that you want to learn more about, please feel free to reach out. You can really email any of us and we'll be happy to either get you connected with something or answer any of your questions. Thank you.